Your traffic plan. You need to make an investment of money and time to build the traffic to achieve your subscriber numbers for the 90 days. People often think that if they build it, they will come. But this never works. Don't use these traffic strategies. SEO. A lot of people believe that the best way to do this is to rank their website on the first page of Google for search terms like "make money online." Well, let me tell you that Google will never rank a squeeze page on the first page for terms like this. And even if they did, you would have to pay a small fortune for quality SEO services, or spend the time and money doing this yourself, and wait months, if not years, to get there. Not a good option. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. You have probably heard of pay-per-click PPC advertising that is offered by Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others. This is not a good option either, as Google will no longer accept a squeeze page as your landing page in a Google AdWords campaign. Other networks may accept squeeze pages, but using PPC never usually produces great results when it comes to gaining new subscribers. Stay away from PPC, as it is also very expensive. Buying website visitors. You can go to Fiverr.com and other places and buy 10,000 visitors to your site for as little as $5. Do you think that this is going to get you many subscribers? It won't, for sure. This has been tested in the past, and it simply doesn't work. If you do get any subscribers from this at all, they are unlikely to become buyers as the traffic is too random. Give this one a pass too. These are good traffic strategies. Articles. A lot of people in the internet marketing world will have you believe that writing articles and submitting them to high-quality article directories is a waste of time now. Okay, Google fell out of love with article sites some time ago, but it doesn't mean that people do not use them anymore. ezinearticles.com has a global rank of around 6,000 according to Alexa.com, which means that they are still receiving a lot of traffic. Writing articles about making money will bring you some targeted traffic. A few years ago, people used to write substandard articles and publish them on article sites so that they could get a link back for SEO purposes. This doesn't work anymore, but people still read high-quality articles. If you don't like writing, then you can easily outsource this to freelancers on the Warrior Forum. You usually get what you pay for with article writing, so if you want your articles to be accepted by the higher quality sites, then they will need to be high quality. It is okay to link to squeeze pages with most of the article sites. Free classified ads. You can create a catchy banner advertisement and post it on free classified sites such as usfreeads.com to try and drive traffic. You can even use the job section of Craigslist.com to post job ads. These methods work with some success, and it is even possible to find subscribers and buyers. Don't rely on this as your main source of traffic, but it can bring you a few leads. Solo ads. A solo ad is basically where you pay somebody that has a responsive buyer list to send your ad to a number of their subscribers, in the hope that they will join your list and buy your products and services. Some people will tell you that solo ads are dead, and that they are saturated because people are selling to their list over and over again. This is not the case. Solo ads are still the best way to build and grow your list. Before you go out and spend money on solo ads, you need to test your sales funnel to see if it converts. One of the best ways to do this is to run a free WSO, Warrior Special Offer, on the Warrior Forum. This is not free to you, but to the person reading your WSO. At the time of writing, a WSO posting costs $20, and you have to be a member of the War Room, which costs $97 per year. The Warrior Forum is the biggest internet marketing forum in the world, and you will be guaranteed to get traffic to your WSO. With some compelling sales copy, you should be able to drive a number of visitors to your squeeze page who want to get their hands on your free lead magnet. You will want to track how many people visit your squeeze page from your WSO, and then you can determine how many have become subscribers and then went on to buy your OTO. If you experience good success with your WSO, then you can keep bumping it to obtain even more subscribers and buyers. You will find solo ad sellers in a number of places. A good website is udemy.com, and there are some good sellers on the Warrior Forum and even Facebook. Facebook fan pages. It is highly recommended that you set up a Facebook fan page so that you can tell people what is happening in your business and provide tips for them. Here are a couple of examples of fan pages that have a lot of likes in the internet marketing world. You will notice that they do not directly sell anything, but just provide information. You can set up a fan page with good graphics. You can outsource this, and then make posts on the page which direct visitors to your sales funnel. Do everything that you can to build up a good following for your Facebook page. You can purchase Facebook ads as a quick way to do this. Ad swapping. Once you have built a list of responsive buyers, you can then use ad swapping to increase the size of your list. Here, you will enter a joint venture with another list owner, and you will show their ad to your list, and they will show your ad to their list. This is often performed on a click exchange basis. For example, if you agree to a 100-click ad swap with another list owner, you will send out a broadcast email to a number of your subscribers with their free offer, and they will do the same with your free offer. Once 100 clicks, visitors clicking on the link in the email to the relevant squeeze pages has been established, then the ad swap is complete. There are lots of list owners that have responsive lists that will be looking for ad swaps. It is important that you build your list using quality solo ads and WSOs so that you build a responsive list. You can then continue to build your list for free by doing ad swaps with other list owners. If you consider that a quality 100-click solo ad can cost anywhere from $40 to $60 or more, this is a great way to enhance the size of your list.